Yes, sir.
Asif Mustafa, please introduce yourself with the board member.
Sir, my name is Asim Mustafa and I belong to Gandarbal district. I completed my Bachelor of Laws from University of Kashmir in the year 2021. Thereafter, I got enrolled as an advocate in the same year and started practice of law.
Are practicing. From how many
Sir,
years you are practicing?
almost almost 4 years.
4 years.
Yes, sir.
You are practicing in Gandarbal court, district
Yes, sir.
court,
Mostly,
session court,
most yes, sir. Mostly in district court
mostly
Gandarbal.
Gandarbal. Who's your judge? District and session judge, principal.
Sir, Honorable Abdul
Name
Nasir, sir.
Abdul. Is there any additional district and session judge?
Yes, sir.
Name
Honorable Miss Fozia Paul, ma'am, sir.
what about who's chief judicial magistrate?
Honorable Nusrat Hakak, ma'am, sir.
What is difference between this jurisdiction, district judge and session judge? Then
Sir,
there would be one more question.
when the court is hearing the civil matters, it is known as district judge. When the same court is hearing the criminal matters, it is known as session judge.
Whether it is a principal court of a district as a district
Yes, sir.
judge court,
Yes, sir.
what about chief judicial magistrate?
So, Chief Judicial Magistrate, while hearing the criminal matters, it is known as Chief Judicial Magistrate. While hearing the civil matters, it is known as Sub Judge Court.
Subject, senior division or junior division?
Senior Division,
Chief
sir.
judicial magistrate hold a post
Yes, sir.
as a civil judge, junior division, senior division.
Senior Division, sir.
Now you are seeking your appointment or recruitment. What would be your designation of the post?
Civil Judge, Junior Division, sir.
Whether you would simultaneously be selected and appointed as judicial magistrate first class.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
Exactly. But what was in your PSC notification? They have sought applications for your recruitment as sub judge, junior division, judicial magistrate first class, or simply civil judge, junior division.
Sir,
Please tell.
as far as I am able to recall, it is civil judge only, sir. Sir,
Please tell.
as far as I am able to recall, it is civil judge only, sir. Civil Judge,
Why?
Junior Division.
Why it was not as a judicial magistrate first class?
Sorry, sir. I am not
And
able to answer this question at this time.
please listen. I
Ji, sir.
simultaneously I will because these criminal powers
Yes,
would
sir.
be conferred when you would become the civil judge.
Okay, sir.
Afterwards, power by whom be conferred? By whom? कौन करेगा
Honorable
confer
High
power?
Court.
No,
Honorable High Court.
not.
Okay.
High
Okay.
Court has no jurisdiction to confer. Government,
Okay, sir.
Ministry of Home, because
Okay, sir.
this law and order, the criminal matter, law and justice also there. But
Yes,
on
sir.
criminal side, there is a Home Department. Ministry of
Yes, sir.
Home, you can say, yeah, Department of Home here. So under
Okay, sir.
Home, this Home Department is in duty of Jammu and Kashmir.
Sir, it's under the Department of Law and Justice.
In duty, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, who under whom the Home Department is.
It
Whether
is
it
under
is
the.
under Chief Minister, I suggest Law and Justice is an independent department.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is under Chief Minister or somebody else. Uh, I for confusing you under LG, जो जर्नल टिकराव है ना जहाँ पे, but
Yes, sir.
under whom?
Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not aware about this.
By the you understood my question?
Yes,
It
sir.
is
Yes,
a
I got your
Ministry
question.
of Home. It is a under Ministry of Home, Union of India.
Okay.
Because generally speaking, this
Yes.
this law and order, you might
Yes,
have
sir.
heard that IAS officer or particularly police department or through LG,
Yes, sir.
because LG is a indirectly administrative head
Exactly,
acting
sir.
on behalf of President of India.
Yes,
Us
sir.
about something preamble of Constitution. Preamble
Sir,
of Constitution of India.
sir, basically, preamble of Constitution is the introduction to the Constitution of India. It provides us the certain goals which the Constitution is made to fulfill it. It is known as the internal part of the Constitution and is the important part of the Constitution as per the judgment of Keshwananda Bharti, sir. There are certain ideals or goals which the Constitution has to fulfill, and those goals are mentioned in the preamble of India, sir.
By the preamble of Constitution or the matter refers therein, can we change by that it would amounts to basic structure change of the Constitution if preambles are
So,
added, subtracted.
so preamble is an important part of Constitution of India, but it is not a basic structure part of the Constitution. As we have known that as per the amendment of 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, we have made certain changes in the preamble also, like we have added the word of secularism, socialist, and integrity. So no doubt preamble is an important part of the Constitution, but it is not a basic part of Constitution. So we can change it, sir.
By the word secularism and this socialist,
So socialist, yes, sir.
socialism, the socialist or secular can be changed by the parliament, removed, subtracted
No,
by the
sir. As per the
parliament.
no, sir. As per the judgment of the Honorable
Presently,
Supreme Court.
presently. Hmm?
Yes, sir. Sir, as per the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, secularism and socialism is the basic structure of the Constitution. We cannot change it, sir.
So, how you are saying this is, listen, in Keshav Nanda Bharti case, there is a now basic structure. Preambles are the basic part of basic structure. Preamble are part of the Constitution.
Yes,
You
sir.
will find a relevant judgment on this. Judicial President or simultaneously preamble. If there is a change in the preamble, it would be change in basic structure of Constitution. So nothing can be changed. Preamble cannot be changed.
Okay, sir.
This is a basic structure of law, Constitution.
Okay, sir.
42nd Amendment, whatsoever else, that was with regard to word addition of word secularism
Exactly, sir.
and socialism. But with the coming of judgment of Keshav Nanda Bharti and subsequently Minerva Mills, now there would not be any change with vis-a-vis
Preamble.
basic structure. Preamble, it is a part of basic structure of law. Now tell us, there are three organs. You might be knowing of Indian Constitution, yeah, Indian polity. What are those three organs? First tell us.
Sir, it is the legislature, executive, and the judiciary.
What are their powers? Their
So the powers of all these three organs are divided. As per the law, the power of the legislature is to make law. As per the law, the power of the executive is to implement the law, and the power of the judiciary is to protect the law and to interpret the law, sir.
What about judicial review? By the Supreme Court of India or any constitutional court has the power to have judicial review of the parliament or legislature's law
Yes,
whatsoever legislature has enacted.
yes, sir.
Judicial
Judiciary
law
has the
by the judicial review is a basic part of basic structure of law.
yes, sir. Judiciary is a part of the basic structure of the law, sir. Okay, sir.
ये लोक अदालत का कंसेप्ट क्या है?
Yes, sir. Sir, लोक अदालत का जी सर, लोक अदालत का कंसेप्ट सर द नेशनल लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी एक्ट 1987 के अंदर दिया गया है, जिसमें सर एक स्पेशल टाइप की अदालत बैठी जाती है, जिसमें लोगों को इनवाइट किया जाता है कि अपने मैटर्स वो लाएंगे और वहाँ वो एमिकेबली सेटल हो जाते हैं सर मैटर्स। वहाँ पे एक ट्रायल चलती है, बट वो ट्रायल पार्टीज की अपनी कंप्रोमाइज की बेसिस पे होती है। अगर पार्टीज कंप्रोमाइज करना चाहती हैं तब मैटर कंप्रोमाइज होगा, अगर पार्टीज कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करना चाहती हैं तो कोर्ट फिर प्रोसीड नहीं करेगी उस केस में आगे, कोर्ट वापस कर देती है वो केस को सर।
अगर वो पार्शली एग्री कर रहे होते हैं, जो एप्लीकेशन है उसमें अगर पार्शली एग्री कर जाए वो, तो वो कंप्रोमाइज हो जाता है उसमें?
सर एज फार एज माई लिमिटेड नॉलेज इज कंसर्न्ड, पार्शली कंप्रोमाइज पे नहीं होगा। अगर पार्टीज विलिंग है, अगर चाहती हैं उस पार्शली पे तो हो सकता है। पार्टीज अगर कुछ भी चाहती हैं वो कर सकती हैं उसमें एज पर लॉ। अगर पार्शली कंप्रोमाइज भी करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं।
ओके। आसिफ, इम्पीचमेंट ऑफ जजेस, इसका क्या प्रोसीजर है?
जी सर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में सर आर्टिकल 124 में सर इम्पीचमेंट का, रिमूवल ऑफ जजेस का प्रोसीजर दिया गया विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सर हाई कोर्ट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजेस। जब भी एक दो स्पेसिफिक ग्राउंड दिए गए सर, एक प्रूव्ड मिसबिहेवियर और इनकैपेसिटी के ग्राउंड दिए गए हैं। जब भी ये दोनों में से कोई ग्राउंड होगा तो पार्लियामेंट का कोई भी हाउस को इनिशिएट कर सकता है इम्पीचमेंट का मोशन। जो हाउस इम्पीचमेंट का मोशन सर पास करेगा, फिर सेकंड हाउस के पास वो मोशन जाता है, सेकंड हाउस उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता है। अगर सेकंड हाउस उसमें पास कर देता है सर वो फिर सर इम्पीचमेंट का मोशन पास हो जाता है, वो फिर प्रेसिडेंट के पास जाता है साइन होने के लिए, और अगर वहां से भी कंसेंट मिल गई तो वो इम्पीचमेंट हो जाता है सर।
राइट। अब फंडामेंटल राइट्स और डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स में क्या डिफरेंस है? फंडामेंटल राइट्स और
सर बेसिक डिफरेंस इनके बीच में है कि ये फंडामेंटल राइट्स जो पार्ट 3 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिए गए हैं वो एनफोर्सेबल राइट्स होते हैं सर। वहाँ जो डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी है वो पार्ट 4 में दिए गए, दे आर नॉट एनफोर्सेबल राइट्स, दे आर नॉट एनफोर्सेबल प्रोविजन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सर।
ठीक।
Okay, now another member, Dr. Praveen Jograj would have a question from you.
Yes, Asif, just I was talking about the three parts of the organs of the Indian Parliament. Regarding judiciary, what is the number of judges in the Supreme Court? Under which article?
Sir,
and how many judges can be there?
Sir, presently,
in the Supreme Court.
Yes, sir.
In the Supreme
Sir,
Court, what is the maximum strength?
Sanctioned
strength.
Sir, presently Supreme Court is running as maximum strength, which is 33 judges plus one Chief Justice of India, total 34, sir.
34.
Presently, yes, sir. Presently it's full.
And under which article this strength is fixed of the Constitution?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall it properly, but probably it is Article 124.
Article 120, under Article 124, one amendment, yes, initially there were 31 members, but in 2019, this amendment was made and then this 34 was fixed.
Present.
This present member is 34. So another question is that you must be knowing that what court proceedings you must be following Indian court judgments also. This is the basic law sources which you have. What are the other sources of law besides judicial proceedings? What are other sources of law?
So there are different sources of law, like customs is a source of law.
Legislature is a source of expand customs. Please expand customs.
Yes, sir. Sir, as far as J&K is concerned, before 2007, the Shariat Act was not applicable in J&K. It was the customary law which was applicable. And as per the customary law, there was a provision of adoption. But in Muslim law, there is no concept of adoption. So, but before 2007, the concept of adoption was prevalent in J&K because of the fact that it was a customary law, sir.
So it's not customary law. The word is customs of India, basically. There are certain inheritance in tribal areas also. Again, that
Yes,
comes
sir.
as
Yes.
custom. These are another sources of law. What is another source of law besides custom?
Sir, besides custom, legislation is one of the main source of law, sir. Parliaments and
So
extra laws.
explain legislation.
Yes, sir. See, the center in India, we are following the federalism, sir, where there is a division of power between the center and the states. Parliament has the power to make law with respect to those matters which are mentioned in Schedule 7, List 1, and on the concurrent list matters, whereas the state legislatures have a power to make law on the second list, that is state list as per the Schedule 7, and also have the power to make law on concurrent list. So they both, but the Parliament and the state legislatures have the power to make the law, sir.
So this is what the laws which are passed in the state assembly or central parliament. So, but what next? What are other sources of law besides customs and parliament?
Judicial decision is precedents are also the customary are also the source of law, sir. As per the Article 141 of the Constitution of India, they are also the source of law, sir.
And anything you know about international law? These are also sources of law.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. International conventions, treaties, they are also the source of the law. And
Where is the
Constitution of India.
headquarter of International Court of Justice located?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall it properly.
It is in the Hague in Netherlands. It is, do you know something about Ranbir Penal Code?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You tell us some details.
Yes, sir. Ranbir Penal Code was the full name of this act is Ranbir Penal Code, sir. It is basically the penal law, which is the substantive part of the law. It was prevalent and enforceable in J&K state, sir, till 2019, till the reorganization of J&K. It was enforceable in J&K, but after the
When
J&K
it was
reorganization,
enforced, in which year?
sir, exact date I'm not exact year I'm not
It
able to
was
recall it.
in 1860. Indian Penal Code was there, and then 1932, by the name of Maharaja Ranbir Singh, under Maharaja Hari Singh, 1932, this Indian Penal Code was prevalent in Jammu and Kashmir from 1932 to 2019, till abrogation
Okay,
of
sir.
Article 370 was just on 31st October 2019. And you belong to
Okay,
which
sir.
place?
Sir, Gandharbal district, sir, Tehsildar.
So what is the population of Gandharbal district?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it.
Should have known. It's a small district and population you must be
Yes, sir.
knowing. And
Yes,
when
sir,
this
exactly.
district was made? When this district was
Sir,
made?
it was made in the year 2007, sir.
Before, and how many new districts were created in 2007?
Sir, I think 3 districts is.
No, total districts right now, how much districts are there in Kashmir division?
Yes, 10 districts in Kashmir division, sir, 10 in Jammu division, sir.
You can name Kashmir division districts?
Yes, sir. Gandharbal, sir, Srinagar, Badgam,
Yes.
Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Anantnag, Kulgam, Pulwama, Shupian.
And Anantnag, you can. What about Jammu district? Can you name them?
Name 3.
Yes, sir.
Any 5, you
In
name any
Jammu,
5.
yes, sir. One is, sir, Udhampur. There is Doda, Punich, Rajouri, Jammu, Kathua, Riyasi. I am not able to recall, sir. Others, sir.
Can you tell me what is the land area of Jammu and Kashmir and how much it is? And
Sorry,
how
sir.
much
I am not able
percentage
to
is
recall.
Kashmir division, Jammu division? Can you tell that?
Sorry, sir. I am not able to recall it. Right.
And population of Jammu division, Kashmir division, something like that. And total population of the state of the UT.
Sorry, sir. I am not able to recall it, sir.
So actually tentative population of Jammu and Kashmir is about 1.10, 1.2 crores right now. This is not according to census, but it's current. And the land
Okay,
area is
sir.
around 42 square kilometers of 42,000 square kilometers. 26,000,
Okay,
that
sir.
is 62%. Jammu division, 38%, that is 26,000 square kilometers, Kashmir division. And population is 55% Kashmir division and 43 to 44% Jammu division. And so,
Okay, sir.
because in this interview, not only that you need to know about law, you need to know about
Exactly,
history,
sir.
geography, everything about Jammu division, because you have to something
Sir,
about budget which was passed yesterday. Any budget
sir, I have.
which was passed yesterday?
Yes, sir. Yesterday it was passed by the finance minister. They have presented it before the parliament, sir.
Any new features or agendas added, or any criticism by the opposition also regarding certain things?
Yes, sir. Basically, the opposition is criticizing this budget on various grounds, like they are saying that middlemen will not get anything else. Even leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi says that it is a dead economy. So
Can
there
you
are certain criticism.
Can you tell what was the fiscal deficit in this budget? How in percentage you can tell?
Sorry, sir. I have not read yet.
You know what is fiscal deficit? What is fiscal deficit?
No, sir.
Okay. Fiscal deficit is the amount of payments which we have to do till now, and amount of revenue which we generate. So it is 4.4% right now. We are having fiscal deficit. It is 4.3. Last year it was 4.4. It is not that bad. So ultimately, so you should read a little bit about budget also, and regarding constitution, regarding current affairs, and of course your that's legal knowledge also.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Asif, सुनिए,
जी sir.
handcuffing by the what was earlier with whom the discussion was to have handcuffing, and presently with whom?
Yes, sir. As per section 43 of the BNSS, sir, there are certain offences in which the handcuffing is allowed, sir. Like if the person is the habitual offender or terrorist, or he is doing drug-related crimes extra, there are a certain list of offences given under section 43 where handcuffing is allowed. So handcuffing is allowed only with respect to those specified offences, not for other offences, sir.
If the police officer wants to handcuff in other offences of law, whether he can do? वो आपकी बात है.
Sir, as per my opinion, it's a violation of the law, sir.
Whether you have read the provisions of section 43?
Yes, sir, I have read it.
But about the punishment on higher side, and but about, is there any difference of the punishment or something else?
Sorry, sir, kindly repeat this question.
So there is a difference of handcuffing vis-a-vis this punishment, gravity of offense, heinousness of offense.
Yes, sir. Basically, the list of
You are saying that in where the gravity is on higher side, offense is heinous, so it is mandatory for the
no, sir.
police
It's not
officer.
mandatory. It's not mandatory. It's the option given to the police. If they are willing to do it, they can do it. It's not mandatory, sir.
If offenses, listen, if it's offenses of less gravity, but situation is, or the offender is habitual or leave habitual, but there are chances that he may abscond, whether he can be handcuffed or not by police.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In this situation, he can be handcuffed because the facts and circumstances of this case.
It is not the punishment exclusively where an accused can be handcuffed. He can be handcuffed. Depends upon situation.
Exactly, sir.
So I am saying my initial question was, discretion lies with police officer to handcuff or not. This
Yes,
is earlier by the earlier to BNS by the handcuffing was permissible.
So it was not permissible.
So if he is to be handcuffed, with whom's order it is to be done?
Sorry, sir.
By
I am not
police,
able to recall it.
with magistrate's order. Article 21, you may remember that there are many Supreme Court of India in many judgments said that handcuffing is inhuman.
Exactly, sir.
It is violative of Article 21 of Constitution, life and personal liberty, वगैरह.
Yes, sir.
Like in certain cases, discretion was given by those judgment guidelines with the to magistrate, judicial magistrate, to exercise
Okay, sir.
and in some cases of his discretion, he can ask for handcuffing.
Okay, sir.
Now it is clear. Now
Yes, sir. Yes.
you have said how arrest is made.
Yes, sir. Sir, the procedure with respect to the arrest is clearly given in the Bharatiya Nagrik Structure Sanhita, sir. It is saying that if an arrest is made, it is to be made as per the law, sir. The person who to
That
whom
is
it is
there.
arrest.
My question is how arrest is made? How
Yes, sir.
arrest? How? What are the modes, procedure, method to be adopted by the police officer by arresting
Yes, sir.
a man? क्या है?
So first of all, the police officer has to inform the arrested person about the warrant of arrest, the grounds of arrest, that I am arresting you on the basis of these grounds. If that person is resisting the arrest of that arrest by the police officer, then the police officer has the power to use the necessary force to arrest that person and to present that person.
If a particular accused or person whosoever is to be arrested by the police, he is involved in a murder case, in dacoity. Whether he is to be served with a notice that we are going to arrest you.
So not with respect to notice. I am saying just to inform it when the police is going to arrest him at that specific point of time. We have to inform that we are arresting you on these allegations, because there is a provision in
That is
For criminal cases.
I am not referring. I am saying mode of arrest. How to please tell me if police officer says to an accused, you are under arrest. By that it is sufficient and accused is supposed to follow
yes, sir,
his
it's
command.
sufficient, sir.
Now you come to the section. You might have read
Yes, sir.
the wording of this.
Exactly, sir.
That
Exactly, sir.
but my question was like this.
Hmm.
The question was if the police officer who's interested, a mode of arrest, how to arrest the man.
Hmm.
If there is a command from the police officer and he submissive, who's accused is submissive to his command, then there
Yes,
is
sir.
no need to touch his body. To touch
Exactly,
his
sir.
body, if he flees or assist, then this exercise is to be used. Original force is to be used, is to be chased.
Yes, sir.
This is also this is the how bodies how an accused is
Correct.
to be arrested. Something is that compliance of procedure for arrest.
Yes, sir.
This is a procedure. If some handcuffing is also a part of arrest, taking to somebody in custody to detain somebody. If he
Yes, sir.
flees, then he is to be detained. If he ready to have a command, follow the command of the police officer. There is no need to handcuff him, to use force. If a female is to be arrested, by whom she has to be arrested?
Sir, in
By
cases
the
of
male
female,
can arrest the by the male can arrest the female.
no, sir, a female can be arrested by a female officer, sir.
Now my question is, if he gives a command to a police officer, male, you are under arrest, to a female accused, and she I agree, does not arrest is complete or not?
Yes, sir, arrest is complete, sir.
Now, afterwards, involvement of police, this female
Female.
is needed. giving command, it can be given command by a male
By
police officer. These are the niceties. You understood? These are the
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
niceties. You must understand the question. It is a pointed question.
Yes, sir.
If male police officer gives a command and female accused, afterwards her frisking is required.
Hmm.
That may be done by female
Female,
police
sir.
officer because sanctity is there.
Yes, sir.
And now this is what about what do you mean by status quo? Status quo. How you would define a status quo?
So status quo is the order of the Honorable Court, wherein the Honorable Court directs the parties to maintain a same position upon the subject matter which was existing at the time of the passing of the order. So nobody is allowed to alienate that property. No party is allowed to do any construction upon that property. The position which was at the time of the passing of the order, it should be maintained by the parties, sir.
When the political changes, constitutional changes was affected vis-a-vis Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir.
Sorry, sir.
Date.
Kindly repeat this question.
The date when the constitutional changes vis-a-vis Article 370 of Constitution was made by Indian Parliament. The date.
Yes, sir. Sir, on 5th of August, the bill was presented in Rajya Sabha. Then on 6th of August, it was presented in Lok Sabha. Then on 9th of August, it was presented before the Honorable President of India for assent, and assent was given. Then the enforcement date was 31st of October 2019, sir.
31st of October. What legislation was made enforceable finally? What
The
is
Jammu
the
and
name of the act?
the Jammu and
Name
Kashmir
of the
State
act of the parliament.
the
What is
Jammu and
the
Kashmir
name of the act?
State
Huh?
the Jammu and Kashmir State Reorganization Act 2019, sir.
Jammu and Kashmir State Reorganization Act
Reorganization.
2019. 2019.
Yes,
By
sir.
the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir has a jurisdiction to unit part of territorial jurisdiction, part of Ladakh Union Territory.
Yes, sir. The Honorable High Court of J&K is the Honorable High Court of J&K for the UT of J&K and also for the UT of Ladakh, sir.
It is a common High Court for both the
Yes, sir.
UT. Are you knowing about Article 3 of Constitution of India? Article 3 of Constitution of India.
Yes, sir. Under Article 3 of the Constitution of India, the Parliament has the power to change the names of the states, to change the boundaries of the state, to diminish the area, to enlarge the area, sir.
Whether it can divide a state into two union territories, as done in Jammu and Kashmir case.
Yes,
What
sir.
is
It
your
can.
legal
It can
opinion?
do. Yes, sir.
It
As per
can?
my opinion, it can do it. Yes, sir.
It can do. Have you read the judgment of Supreme Court of India regarding Article 370 and particularly this point? By the division of state, arrest by state of Jammu and Kashmir, point regarding Article 3. But you are saying it is valid. By the Supreme Court has also said like you, or like you, it is rightly being done by the Parliament.
Sir,
Or
I
it
am
is
not
a
fully
question
able.
open. Or it is a question open.
Sir, I am not able to recall it right now.
Now please read out the judgment.
Yes, sir.
Then by the people of India, J&K or otherwise, saying that restore the
Stated.
statehood.
Hmm.
Because Article 3, आप ध्यान से पढ़ना है इसको.
जी, sir.
A state इस एरिया कैन बी नैरो डाउन, एक्सटेंड बढ़ा भी सकते हैं, काम भी कर सकते हैं इसको, लेकिन स्टेट की जो इंडिविजुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है ना, इट शुड रिमेन इंटैक्ट।